The Rajasthan political crisis have reached Supreme Court, with Assembly Speaker C.P. Joshi challenging the High Court directive that asked him not to decide the disqualification notices he had issued to the group of 19 lawmakers led by Sachin Pilot. The High Court on Tuesday told the Speaker not to move forward the disqualification notices till Friday, when the judges are expected to deliver its ruling. Sachin Pilot and 18 MLAs close to him were issued disqualification notices last week on a complaint from the Congress that has accused them of trying to topple the Ashok Gehlot government. Asked by a court to defer actions against Sachin Pilot and other Congress rebels, the Rajasthan Speaker said today he had decided to go to Supreme Court against the delay to avert a constitutional crisis. Speaker C.P. Joshi, who served disqualification notices to 19 rebel MLAs, including Sachin Pilot, for anti-party activities, was first asked to defer actions by 3 days last week. Yesterday, he was asked by the Rajasthan High Court not to take any actions until Friday, when it will announce its decision on the rebel petitions challenging the notices. Calling the rebels' petition a dangerous precedent that could lead to a breakdown of constitutional rules, Joshi said, "It is well defined by the Supreme Court that only the Speaker can decide on anti-defection. The Speaker had full authority to send notice. It can be judicially reviewed only later after the Speaker decision," said Joshi. The Speaker's move to seek the Supreme Court's interventions to restore his right to act against the rebels telegraphed his worry that the High Court verdict may not go in his favor. Yesterday, the Speaker's counsel had indicated to media that he would hold actions on the notices in the spirit of mutual respect between the two institutions. Action shifts to the Supreme Court alongside speculation that Ashok Gehlot is keen on a test of strength in Rajasthan Assembly now, before Team Pilot gets any more room to win over more MLAs. Team Sachin Pilot got a second 3-day breather after the High Court finished hearing arguments yesterday on the case against disqualification notices served after the rebels skipped 2 meetings of Congress MLAs, which was construed as defying a whip. The rebels have argued that no whip can be in place when the assembly is not in session. They also told the court that they have no plans to quit the Congress. They only want change in its Rajasthan leadership, read Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. The court verdict will have a huge impact on a floor test in Rajasthan Assembly. Bureau Report.